Morning, Jace. Had a little bit of a downpour then, didn't we?
We did have a bit of a downpour.
Yeah, an April shower in May.
We're dedicated though, Kev.
Yeah.
Because we don't have our dinner.
No.
We bring the dinner with us.
Yeah. Look. Ting ting dinner.
Ting, ting, ting. Where you can plug it in?
What's the point?
See? Don't think of these things, do you?
Could be solar powered.
2006 Autocruise Star Dream. So we've got an oldie for you. Only done 23,772 miles, Kev.
I know, because I wrote that down on the stat sheet.
Okay, so you'll know what the fresh water capacity is.
97.
No. Oh, it is. Waste?
73. See? Because I wrote it this time, not Finn.
2.2 HDI turbo diesel.
Loads of it.
You could race that.
Yeah, loads of extras on it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a cam belt or a chain?
It'd be a chain, wouldn't it?
A chain. And it's 6.85 metres. You haven't measured that up, have you?
No.
What did you do?
Steve got it off the internet.
You cheated, haven't you?
No, that's how we get all our information.
No, we don't.
No.
That's how you get it, because you cheat. We do it the proper way.
That's how Finn gets it as well.
It's based on a Peugeot chassis. So we've got the biggest awning in the world there.
Nice big on it.
Yep.
Nice alloy wheels as well.
Yeah, like you say, alloys. It's on the old shape.
Yeah. The pre-facelift shape.
Okay.
Probably one of the last pre-facelift if it's the 2.2.
Yeah, 06, so it's normally about 56. They went out once. No, it wasn't.
2000.
56.
End of 2006, beginning of 2007 they did the facelift.
They did the new one, yeah. Low profile-y.
Yeah.
Okay. We've got the cassette. We've got, I've dropped a piece of paper, Kev.
Got a big nipple on top as well. So.
It's got satellite on, hasn't it?
Yeah, that system.
Satellite system on it, yeah.
It's got a tracker on it.
It's got an inverter, tracker, TV.
Yep.
It's got all the kit there, hasn't it?
Mm.
So, I tell you what, just first impression, just standing from here, it looks a well-built thing, doesn't it?
Yeah, they are though, these older ones, aren't they?
Yeah. We've got the only thing that bugs me. What's that, Kev?
It's for a pump, innit? You pump the water in.
That's how you pump your water in.
Same as a caravan.
All we want is an hole.
A hole.
Hole.
Put a hose pipe in it, put a watering can in it, it's thundering.
Thunder. We're dedicated to bringing you the best quality
You know why
vans.
it's thundering? I'm going to wash my van later.
What we're on about, just give us an hole.
Yeah.
Give us an hole, we can put a pipe through it and fill the water.
And if you haven't got a tap nearby, you can go fetch your water, put it in a watering can and pour it in.
Or you can buy a 100-metre hose. Character, Kev, character.
Yeah.
Look at that, character.
Nice, yeah.
Look, character, look at that. It's got a nice bum.
Yeah.
Hasn't it?
Yeah.
Character. You've got the mouldings in and everything as well. Do you know what it reminds me of? A Victorian house.
House.
Victorian house.
House, oh, you've got the house in there.
House. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Character.
See about that?
Yep. Look at it smiling at you. Yeah.
They did make them quite nice, the old ones, didn't they?
See, actually, if you look here, nice smiley face with the moustache. Looks like Kev. What's that, Kev?
It's a locker.
You don't know, do you?
No, good clue.
Pause it then.
It's your department.
So we'll try that again, Kev.
Yeah.
Right, what's in there?
Don't know.
Right, have you got the keys? Look, you're supposed to throw them at me, Kev. So it's like magic.
All right.
Let's try it again.
Yeah.
Ready? What's in there, Kev?
I don't know.
It's locked.
Yeah.
Have you got the keys?
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
No doubt. All our inadequacies will be shown.
Probably got the wrong key anyway.
Look at that. It's a phone.
Oh, yeah. Don't pull it too hard, you'll break it.
Oh, I won't break it.
It's a shower for me. It's for dogs, isn't it, you see? That's why it's low.
I'll tell you what, these lockers feel well built, Kev.
Been a quality van in its day, this,
Has
hasn't
it
it?
just, yeah. Oh! Something's making a noise. Got an alarm on it there, Kev.
Is it? I think we got the gist of it, you know, without having to get all that out.
I don't know why I've done that.
It's either a shower for your dogs or a shower for nudists.
What do you mean for nudies? You'd have to have your clothes off a while, yeah. Awning out.
Yeah.
Outside shower.
Yeah.
Outside
So like if you've
shower.
been on the beach, wash all the sand off you before you get them,
Yeah.
and for muddy dogs.
I quite like these, you know.
Yeah.
To be honest, like you say, if you've got the dog, or even like you say, you've just been on the beach,
Yeah.
just to wash off your feet off, or even just do your train shoes and things.
Well,
and
that's it.
flip-flops.
I've just been on racetracks and it was so muddy I had to get towed off at Donington Park.
Okay,
Well, that'd have been great.
Driving.
Could have washed me well.
That's your rubbish driving. We don't want to know about you.
Washed me wellies off. Oh, I get a tractor that towed me off. Everybody was getting towed off.
It's only you getting towed off because you're rubbish driving.
I didn't get towed off at Brands Hatch this weekend.
I just want to have a quick look in here as well, because it looks an odd shape.
It's a gas locker.
Yeah, I know it's a gas locker.
I reckon that'll take a 13.
Yeah, I think so. That's why I'm opening it, Kev, to show our wonderful viewers. Oh,
That's a locker.
it's not, it's a gas locker.
Yeah. What have we got in there?
You can get a good size in there, can't you?
Yeah. Got loads of stuff in it.
Yeah, it's a good size. So, you know when they say they don't make them like they used to?
Yeah. You got another locker there, Jess? Yeah, you got another one?
Oh, for Peter's, you've started something now, haven't you? Oh, what's in here?
That's different.
Isn't it? That's your water heater.
Yeah. Ah, we've had one of these before, haven't we?
Yeah.
I remember now.
It's like the old Aldi, it's like the Aldi system, isn't it?
Yeah.
My goodness, well, I'll fix that, Kev.
We'll like try and get parts for it.
Yeah, still. My goodness. We won't be selling this van though, will we?
No.
I think a bit too old for us, this is.
Yep. Option.
So we'll move this on.
They'll go through the trade, won't it?
So there we've got the combustion figurator. What do you think of the colour, Kev?
Actually, it's white. Very white.
No.
It's white.
Just look at them clouds up there.
So,
Tropical storm white.
some clouds are darker than this.
Tropical storm white.
Listen to that thunder, I think we're going to have one. Get inside before it comes.
Right, let's go have a look inside, eh? Oh, wait there. Welcome to my boudoir.
Spider's web.
Let's get some lights on it. These are well built vans, Kev,
Yeah.
aren't they? Just take a look around.
Yeah.
Really well built
Wait.
vans.
You can tell when you open that and you look at the thickness of that. Yeah?
Extractor fan there.
Yeah.
Extractor fan, 3 burner hob.
Full
That's
size.
probably first of its kind, wasn't it, with the electric hot plate?
Yeah. Full size cooker.
Grill, oven. Normally this one doesn't, does it?
No, because
Normally-
the gas locker's the other side of that, isn't it?
Good thinking. Storage everywhere, isn't there?
Yeah.
Look, storage everywhere. Solar on it as well, Kev.
Got solar.
See?
There's
Look at that.
It's a SAT system.
It's your CB radio. Remember them?
Yeah.
19, did you copy? Did you copy?
No, it's free satellite, isn't it?
Yes, I was joking, Kev. It was a joke.
Good size telly.
What you do is, like say, it's called humour,
All right.
banter, things like that. So try and make the video interested.
Good size skylight.
You're not listening to anything I'm saying, am I?
No, you just waffle anyway.
So yeah, good size skylight. We've got storage again all the way round. Loads of lighting.
What does this remind you of, this head lounge?
Autocruise storage room.
Caravan. Speaks caravan, doesn't it?
It does speak caravan, Kev.
Easy bed makeup. Just slide them both out.
Shall I show you how to make the bed?
Go on.
Yes, let's work this out.
Because it's an easy one.
Let's work this out. I think this will come out like that.
Yeah.
Give me space. This one will come out like that, Kev.
Yeah.
See? We can put that there.
Yeah.
I can move this out and put that in there.
Yeah. Oh. And you got a massive double. That gives you a massive transverse double. Right? But if you took them then cushions off and just
Now, you can have 2 single beds,
two
couldn't you?
singles, yeah.
It's good size. See the size of that telly?
I know.
That's huge.
I said that before. Three-way fridge.
You crack on, Kev, while I put this back.
Three-way fridge. And what I do like, Jace, this is what I like in vans.
Go on, you do this. You do the bathroom while I put this
What I
back.
like in a van, you've got your toilet area there, you've got your wash basin area there, and a good sized separate shower. Where's your aqua roll, Jace, for that pump thing?
Yeah.
Yep. Quite a nice sized shower, that, you know. It's as big as a shower at home. You heard the beds up?
I've just found something else interesting, Kev.
Table.
Yeah. So when I'm playing chess, you see, I can get my table all the way out, see? Now, I'm going to show you something.
Chess, you're trying to be intelligent. Listen, you play drafts and snap. That's about your limit, isn't it?
Now, how does, what would you class this? 2 bench seats?
Yeah.
Do you want me to do a bit of a magic trick and turn it into something?
Go on then.
Watch. I can take that out. Yeah. I've got a U-shaped lounge, Kev.
Yeah.
And do you know what I've also done? Made my bed even bigger.
Yeah. What are you going to do for that?
I thought about that. Well,
You put it outside in the awning, couldn't you?
if you didn't want to take it with you,
Yeah, you leave it at home.
yeah. So, but you're just making a bigger.
Because you have still got a table here, Jason. There is a freestanding table here. Tucked behind the driver's seat. And you've got your standard Peugeot cab. No aircon on this, Jason.
Right, okay.
Yeah. Got more storage up here as well. I like the little cocktail cabinet. They all have these in, don't they? You know, with your things for your bottles and your glasses.
I haven't planned to come on since.
Yeah.
Haven't they changed? I like these vans though.
Yeah.
It reeks of character. It's as if it's got stories to tell, Kev.
Yeah.
And I know we're getting all modern and everything else nowadays, though, but this is nice.
If you were to build this van now to this standard and it was new, you'd be looking at a lot of money.
Well, they're a lot of money now, Kev.
Yes. But you'd be looking a lot more.
Yeah, but they're a lot of money now. They're a lot more money now, aren't they?
A lot more.
A lot more. But isn't it? It's just like you've got your kitchen area here. This is where I can do all my cooking and everything, and do all my cakes and things like that, and everything. Plenty of room. I can lift this up here as well.
You could open a burger van then if you lived with that.
You've got your space there again, and then you've got your separation here, which really you could have 2 single beds, like I showed you. You could have your double. You could take that out and make it even bigger bed as well. You've got your separate shower and toilet, which is really nice. Washroom.
Yeah.
And it's nice. It's a nice van, Kev, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just started chucking it there.
Isn't it? So I don't know how much this is going to be on the market. What are they going to be? 25s, I would have thought.
So 25s.
I think it's about 25 now at the moment. Could be pushing up to 30, couldn't it? Well, it's got good mileage on it.
Yeah.
It's got good mileage, it's got good service history. What's happening out there, Kev? In fact, we need to drag this video out for another 2 hours. So it's got good lights.
I'll drive this van back.
So there you go with the Autocruise Star Dream, a little bit of a blast from the past. And it just shows you how well vans were built.
Yeah.
And this is why it's still here, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is it, 17 years old?
Yeah.
And does it look 17 years old? It probably does on the outside of the cab. Okay, it might look a little bit dated, but it's lasted because it's been built well.
Yeah.
Plain and simple. So there you have it, the Autocruise.
If you've got a 17-year-old kitchen in your house, it'd look the same, wouldn't it? Woodwork.
I suppose so.
Yeah.
On that note, see you later.
You're going to get the umbrella. Go and get the umbrellas first.
Who's going to get the
Oh,
umbrella?
you go and get the umbrellas.
I'm going to get the umbrellas.
I'm not
Throw
going
it
to get
down.
the umbrellas. I haven't got a coat. Have you got a coat?
We've got 2 choices, Kev, haven't you? If I go, then I wouldn't be able to pay you this week. If you go,
Could both go. I could drive the van there. Come on.
let's go.